Hi, pre-K friends. My name is Miss Jessica, and I am here to read a story with you today. We are going to read Bear Snores On, and I have a helper here today. This is Grace. She is going to help me with some rhyming words because today in our story, we are going to really listen for the rhyming words. Are you ready to help me, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So today we are reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman, and it is published by Simon & Schuster. So here we go. Before we start though, we should probably say, what is a rhyming word? Do you know?
It's a word that
Does it sound the same at the beginning or the ending?
it sounds the same at the ending.
That's right, like bear, chair. These words rhyme. Thank you, Grace. I forgot. So I thought maybe we better remember before we read the book and listen for those. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown
Bear.
Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the
Night.
The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold
Snow.
Oh, toe, snow. Those do rhyme. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot
Spark.
Yes, dark and spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes, sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black
Tea.
Oh yeah, see, tea. Mouse sips, wee sips. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can
Share.
I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. And the bear snores on. You got a snore in there? Sounds good. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the
Door.
floor door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own bear lair. Very good. Those words rhyme. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flack makes the bear
Achoo!
He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd
Freezes.
sneezes, freezes. They rhyme. Ooh, you froze too. Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had
None.
And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more
T.
Bear gulps. Gulp. Bear gobbles. Bear sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery
Night.
When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Here they are sleeping. Hey Grace, that was some nice rhyming. Thanks for helping me. What are 2 words that you can remember from our book that rhyme today? I remember one. C and T. C, T. These words rhyme. There was another one that rhymes with floor. Floor. Do you remember?
Snore.
That rhymes. I was thinking door, but that rhymes too. Floor and snore. These words rhyme. Go ahead and go try some rhymes today. Thanks for your help, Grace. We'll see you later.